Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about function. So let's dive in. The first of all, what's mean function? Function is a function to make something in one time, two time, three time. When we want the function, we will call back to this. Okay. No talking again. Let's dive in. The first of all, I will write def. Use def to create a function. After def, write the name of function. So I will name it greet user, and then open and close brackets, column, enter, print hello. No, now this is function. How to use this function, how to call this function? Just write name of function, great user, and then open and close brackets. So Python, okay, I will make run, okay, open a new terminal, Python l.py, hello. So now I want to create the name of user. So hello, put the parameter. The parameter is name. Hello name. Use f string hello name, and then put the argument. This parameter. This argument. The argument is Ali. ALI. Run the project again. Enter. Hello Ali. If I change the name Muhammad python.lpy, hello Muhammad. So now I want the user to input his name. It's easy. User is equal input, enter your name, and then put the user variable there. Run again. Okay, enter your name. Your name is Ahmed. Enter. Hello Ahmed. So this is function. This is simple function. Now I have the another function. Can I put two parameters, name and company. Name and company. Company, I will print company parameter. Welcome to name. Well, okay, no. Name, welcome to company. Name, welcome to company. Name, welcome to company name. Now how to use it? I put the argument and then put the name of company. So the name of company is okay, Google. Run again. Ali. Hello Ali, welcome to Google. Hello Ali, welcome to Google. Hello Ali, welcome to Google. Now I want if I don't write the argument, so now if I run, I will show that error because there are two parameter and then one argument. So can I put the default value? The default value is YouTube. So if I run again, 1 2 3 4 name, okay, hello 1 2 3 4, welcome and welcome to YouTube. So now I have this list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. I want to make the function, this function give the user the sum of even numbers. How to make it? Def even sum. Name it even sum. This even sum took parameter lst. Total is equal 0. Total is equal 0 for n in lst. If module n is equal module n2 is equal 0, so this is even number. Total plus equal n, and then return total. Return total outside the for loop. Okay, now result is equal even sum and put nums. Print result. Run again. 24. You want to check? Okay, check it. 1. Okay, let me check it. Calculator. 2 4 6 8 10 12 24. It's correct. Now if I don't know how many, okay, I have another example. If I don't know how many arguments, how many arguments, how to make it? Okay, def x lst. Okay, count is equal 0 for n in lst. Count plus equal n. Return count. Okay, result is equal x lst. Print res. So okay, 50. It's easy, just counting these summation of 1 2 3 4 5. So If I don't know how many lists, such as if I put these numbers, okay, I don't have any list there. If I when I run this, okay, I have a problem. This is a problem. I want to fix this. It's easy. Just put a start before the arguments. I don't know how many arguments, so I fix it. 15. So this is lesson for function. I have another lessons about functions. So the next video and after next video, we will talk in more advanced examples about function. So goodbye.